In this video I will show you how to set Windows 11 start menu and left side. So let's start. Now log in my PC. Now PC login, and you can see currently start menu in center, and we can move this start menu in left side. So click on taskbar settings. In taskbar setting you can see personalization taskbar menu open, and all tabs show, but we can click on taskbar behavior. Click on taskbar behaviors, and you can see taskbar alignment. Taskbar alignment currently in center. Now you can click and select left. When you click left, your start menu showed in left, and center you can watch start menu in center. I hope you like this video. Like, share and subscribe us for more tech videos. Thank you for watching.